What's up, Breed on Death family, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out at the local range and I have the GSG 1911. Ooh, this one's in Desert Tan, of course. It has the Banish 22 on the front from Silencer Central. I just want to know if this is going to run. I mean, it should run with this Banish on it, but out of most or all of my 22 pistols that I own, I think this is me and Caitlin's favorite. We're going to be running American Eagle 45 grain just for function test, quiet test. I'm really enjoying this Banish so far. I think we probably got, I don't know, probably 800 rounds through the Banish, which I don't recommend. It's like a salt shaker when you turn it upside down. When you turn it upside down and all the stuff comes out of it. I don't have any cool targets today. I got one 3/4 silhouette at about 40 yards. And then these two are about 15. So we're gonna do like we always do. Let's load it up and have some fun. Boy, I miss this thing. These steel mags that come with this are just, they're expensive, but they're very, very quality. Now with this American Eagle 45 grain, I have had troubles in the past with it chambering, so I guess we'll see how this goes. We'll start here at the 15-yard mark. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This thing is quiet, very quiet. And it didn't cycle the hammer back, so I don't know if that one ejected. Nope. That's what I was worried about. Boy, same thing. It doesn't have enough power to kick the empty out. But it is really quiet. Okay, that one did. Let's try for the old 40-yard mark. No clue where they're going. So if you don't realize with subsonic ammunition, different slide weights and different pistols can be finicky on this ammo, or on any subsonic ammo, or any 22 ammo for that matter. I know American Eagle is really, really not low powered, but it's right at 45 grain, it's right on that cusp of cycling semi-automatic handgun action. Okay, that was the 40-yarder. All day long, all day, 40 yards, no problem. I also did bring some Remington 40 grain subsonic, so we'll be running that today too. But why would you want to run something louder when you can run something that is whisper quiet? "40 yards all day long." What I think is really cool about the GSG, I'm not going to go on and on and on, but it doesn't actually come with a threaded barrel per se. So it actually, I guess it should say, it comes with a threaded barrel, but it has kind of a cap on it that's inside the slide, and then the cap actually sticks out of the slide a little bit. So from the factory, if you just take that cap off, I got the thread adapter from Silencer Central, threaded it on, and in my opinion, this is just a beautiful piece of hardware. And it doesn't seem like with this pistol that the suppressor changed the point of aim much. Let's load up some more mags. Those 10-round mags go by really fast. I told Caitlin to speed it up a little bit, so she's just gonna be ripping them. There you go. It's fun just to let it rip, tater chip, you know. Nice. 40 yarder. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun. Five mags worth. Whew, that's pretty sweet. Oh, it's dark. Can't see shit. All right, more Maggies. Got some Remington 40 grain subsonic loaded up. This should add a little bit of velocity. I'm not sure what they're traveling at, but oh, nope. Okay, same. And I always hate to blame it on this or blame it on that, but when I pulled this thing out of the safe, last night, there was 22 ooze coming out of the chamber. So I'm sure it's, looks like the GSG does not like the shape of these Remington bullets. See? That's how it is with 22s. They can be, okay, can be finicky. I think we might have to go back to the old American Eagle. I figured if it was a lighter grain bullet that you would have a little bit more velocity, pushing that slide back a little bit quicker. But I'm not a scientist or a gun professional. I'm just a gun enthusiast. This thing just begs to be ran fast, and when it turns into a single shot, all right, I'm not gonna go through the rest of the mags. I'm gonna unload these and then throw the Federal back in there. I just wanna rip some rounds for you guys. Testing, windiness testing 7. Yeah, that's why I find it kind of not funny, but it's kind of interesting that, say, the FN 502 only likes to shoot Remington, and now the GSG 1911 only likes to shoot Federal. It's just much better, much better. It's just bullet shape, you know, and I haven't tried any of the CCI quiet or the CCI subs yet, because I don't know why, but I personally just like the copper jacketed bullets. Maybe it's just dirty. I personally like the copper jacketed bullets. I think all of CCI's are just lead projectiles. And I don't know why I have something against that. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe CCI uses better powder. I don't know. It's 22 long rifle. Who gives a shit? Unless you're gonna carry it, you know. Some people, do whatever you want to do. I was gonna say I'm gonna shoot a couple off in the woods so you can hear how quiet it is, but I'm not hitting nothing. All right. It's interesting. Also, what's interesting to me is the arc of the projectile. If you are not familiar with firearms, bullets don't go like this. They go like this. And so at the 40 yard with this 22 long rifle, if I aim in the middle of the plate, it's going right over the top. If I aim at the lower bottom edge of the plate, it's hitting dead center. I'm gonna load up 5 more mags and then, I don't know. I was gonna shoot some paper, but why? Why would you want to shoot paper? It's so boring. I just so happened today to bring a little $8 spaghetti squash friend. See how this goes, point blank. It's so cool how it sounds. When you don't hear that pop of the 22, you can actually hear the 22 rounds hitting the squish. This little GSG is one of my favorite little pistols. Ooh, that one hit some wood. Shooting produce is so much fun. It's too bad that YouTube doesn't pay me a ton of money. It's too bad that I don't make good content. Double-edged sword. Well, I took its top off.
Hey, you be quiet back there. I'm filming a video. Can you take your top off?
Later.
I thought you said later. It's so loud, that projectile hitting that pallet. Sweet! What a good time, what a good time. Oh!
He's not have a good time.
What a good time at the range. I'm glad you guys and gals came out to check out this GSG 1911 in Desert Tan with the Banish 22 suppressor on the front from Silencer Central. I guess I don't have a lot of experiences with 22 suppressors, but this thing is really quiet. I don't know why you would need a 22 suppressor, a dedicated 22 suppressor with such volume to it when you could get something this compact that is very quiet. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see ya
Next time.